Established in year 2006, located in Qidong, Emont is a prime manufacturer specialized in designing and producing standing desks. Our main products consists of height adjustable standing desks, mobile desks, and gaming desks. Skilled workers apply advanced equipment to produce high-quality products in modern factories, which ensures the efficiency and quality of our production line. The professional test workshop carries out load-bearing test, horizontal swing test, and electronic parts debugging. In sample room, we show all series of samples about standing desks. Carefully produce every product, sincerely serve every customer. We hope to get your attention.